welcome back to my channel. Alright, hopping straight into it. I'm gonna be doing a nice little hairstyle video for y'all. I used to like doing these and then I chopped all my hair off and I couldn't make any hairstyles anymore. Now I have a nice little bob, kind of. I cut this myself like a week ago, but so it's not the best haircut, but it's a lot better than how it was looking. So these are some nice, easy, quick hairstyles for if you have short hair, like actually short. I see these girls out here making videos, their hair is this long and they're calling it short. I can't even put my hair in a ponytail, and I've got short layers. I can't do a half up. So if you struggle with that, or even if you just need some more hairstyle videos, keep on watching. Anyways, so I started out with just straight hair. I already straightened my hair off camera. I don't really use too much product in my hair, but the one thing that you always should use, I preach this, I can't believe that there's still people who don't do this. Use a heat protector if you're heat styling your hair. Literally, if you're not using a heat protector, you're just damaging your hair so much, you're like frying it off. Just use a heat protector. So anyways, I didn't realize I'm actually almost out of this, but I used just this damage control from Aveda as my heat protector. It's really good. It's a nice detangler as well. So yeah, I use that when I straighten my hair. For supplies, I'm going to use this tail comb, some bobby pins, and some elastics, little tiny elastics. Without further ado, let's get this video started. Alright, this is my first time doing a voiceover, so I'm a little nervous. So basically for the first hairstyle, I'm pushing pretty much everything behind my ears, but then I'm leaving out some pieces in front of the ear just to frame the face, as well as some pieces from my fringe, as you can see here, and that's it. And for the second hairstyle, I went ahead and I pushed all of my hair behind my ears, and then I'm just going to pin it in place with a bobby pin, and I'm going to do that on both sides. And another product I forgot to mention is this hairspray. I use this one from Aussie that I'm going to show in a minute. It's like $3 and I like it and it smells good. And that's it. Wow, so easy. And for the third look here, I'm just going to section up this one side of my hair here. A really good tip I have is to line it up with the arch of your eyebrow. I feel like it just, it goes with your face shape. Then I just left out a piece of my fringe again, and then I'm just gonna take a little elastic and just put that into a little ponytail, and then did the same thing on the other side just with a little elastic. Super cute, super easy. The next one, I'm just leaving the hairstyle as how it was in the last one, and then I'm just taking a comb and I'm just teasing that into a little ball, and then I'm just going to kind of twist it around until I kind of like the shape of it, and then I pin it in place with a bobby pin. Do the same thing on the other side, and voila. To start this look, I'm gonna start out doing the same type of sectioning that I did with the last one, and then I'm just kind of clipping. I want to show that I just clip this away to keep it out of the way. I just find it easier that way. And then I'm gonna leave out a little bit of my bangs again, and then I'm gonna grab a little section and I'm just gonna do a French braid here. I'm just going to tie that in place with a little elastic. And then of course I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. I wanted to show a little bit of variation, so on this side I didn't leave out my bangs because I just wanted to show you what it looks like if you do or you don't. Versatile. Next up, this one is probably my favorite just because of how easy and quick it is. I do this one a lot. So I'm just gonna bring up some of my hair. I think I kind of went off like the ends of my eyebrows for which hair. And then I'm taking my claw, I'm just raking up my hair. And then I'm just gonna gather everything, and then I'm just gonna take a ponytail, tie her up. So once it's in a ponytail like this, I'm gonna do what we did with like the little buns before, and I'm just gonna tease my hair a lot to make it bigger. And then once I think I've done enough, I just kind of like gather it all into a little ball, and then I'm just gonna kind of like pin it in place, and you just gotta kind of keep playing with it until you like it. This is like a messy bun, but for people with short hair. I feel so stupid doing these like these clips where I like do this and show you the hairstyle. I feel dumb as fuck. Anyway guys, that is all the hairstyles that I have for you today. If you want to see more, if you want to see more, I always have hairstyle ideas because I love coming up with new hairstyles. I love being creative with my hair. So if you want to see more, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and yeah, let me know what you think. I hope these helped you. Let me know what your favorite hairstyle was. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful, fantabulous day, and peace out.